Hi there! Today I'm gonna show you how to set up your stream store with StreamElements. So this is about the stream store where people can redeem items with their loyalty points they got from watching your channel. So this is not about the merch store. I have a separate video on how to set up that right there. So when you are on the StreamElements website, you go to the stream store section right here. And you will be greeted by this page. You can set up a new item by clicking the Create New Item Here button. So let's do that. Here you can choose between 3 different setups. So for the first thing, we're gonna set up a stream perk. And we will call this a Dino Dance. And in the description, we will fill in Dino Dancing GIF. Here you can set your points. I'm going to set them to 500. So it will cost your viewers 500 loyalty points to claim this reward. Here you can set the quantity. If you want to have, for example, a maximum of 5 times per stream, you can set it to 5 right here. And putting it at -1 means it's unlimited. Now then we have a global cooldown and a user cooldown. A user cooldown is just for a single user. So if you put it at 10 seconds, that same user can't use it for 10 seconds. If you put it on a global cooldown from 10 seconds, then no one will be able to claim that GIF or that item for 10 seconds. Here you can set a cooldown for the complete category. So if you want to have GIFs or sound effects on a cooldown for, let's say, 5 minutes, that if someone claims a sound item, that you won't be able to claim a sound item for another 5 minutes, but you can claim an item from a different set. So yeah, let's put it at 500. And here you can upload the preview for the store. So let's go ahead. I already uploaded some stuff, or else you can upload it with this button right here from your PC. Let's submit it. And this will be the alert that's playing, but in this case, it's the same thing. Redeeming this item shows an alert. Of course, we want that because it's a GIF that plays on the stream. So we want to be able to see an alert. Allow users to add text message to the alert. I don't prefer to do that. I only do that with donations and subscriptions. But of course, feel free to do so. Redeem via the website. I will show you that in a second. Redeem via extension. That's the Twitch panel extension. You can put your stream store items in there as well. Redeemable via chat. That will just mean they can use a command to buy this perk. Send confirmation when redeeming via chat. You can turn this off. And here you can say it's a subscriber only perk if you have something really special. Now this last bit here, you can name this command. Let's call it Dino Dance. So now people will have to put exclamation mark redeem Dino Dance in your chat, and then they can redeem this item. Let's hit save. And there it is. A new item in the store. It's really easy, really super simple. Now let's make a sound item as well, just to show you how it's done. Create new item, sound effect. It's basically just the same, but with another item, of course. Let's call this Power. Power with a lot of R's. Terry Crews. Power. Shouting. Some of you might already know what's coming. But let's put that at 2000 points. Because it's a sound item, so it will be heard on stream. And if you play it too much, then everyone can go crazy. Set preview asset. I made a small picture. Power. Set alert. Upload sound. Now here we go. So this is where it's different. You have to upload an extra step, and that's the sound. As you can see, I already have the Terry Crews power in the library. So there we go. You can adjust the amount here, but usually 50% is pretty good. Redeemable through every method. Subscriber only. And let's make the command power. Save. And there it is. Power. So now we have 3 items in the store. Now let's go to the store page, because the store has a dedicated page. If you click on Open Store, this is where people can redeem your items. If they don't want to do it through the chat, they can come to this website, and here are your items. To be able to play these on stream, you need to set up the store redemption widget. I will show you how to do that as well, because it's not that hard. We go to the My Overlays section. You pick the overlay on which you want the item. You click on the big plus button. You go to Alerts. Store Redemptions widget. This is the one that you need to have. You place it, you make it a little bit bigger, just according to whatever you want, of course. And that's basically it. If you emulate an event, item redemption right here, it will not show your items. It will just show a basic one. If we redeem the Dino Dance, redeem for 500 points. Awesome. Then it will play the selected item. Now the grayed out thing is not shown on stream. That's just on your overlay for test. People will not see that on the stream. Let's try another one. Power. Let's check another one. Let's check the Dino Boat. As you can see here, it will play on stream nicely. And that's it. You just add the overlays to OBS, like we've shown in the other tutorial, and you're good to go. People can now claim funny items or funny sounds, or you can give away stuff with points as well. Do whatever you want. People can go crazy in your store. And I hope this helped you out a bit on how to set it up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video. Maybe you want to subscribe as well. And I'll see you on the next tutorial.